What's up, guys? It's Thursday. Just got out here. It's about noon right now. I got all set up. Sam's gonna be out here in a little bit. She had some calls she had to make this morning, but I got her spot, so I'm happy. Out here watching a little bit of Quicksand 4, getting in the mood.
Yeah. Chuck. What up, dog? El Savage. Grimace Santana. Ruxpin in the mix, bitch. My boy. Henslord. You know what it is for the factor. West side, let's get it. Yeah. Palm trees. Big titty bitches, that's out to please. Sunshine with a cool breeze. Cold beer, dicky sagging to my knees. This the left side. Thumbs up, connect, west side. Beach bell. Susan Sand, recline. That's T-Time. 420 on dot. Henslord. I fucking snuck a lot till the dome lit. This ain't no SoundCloud bullshit, it's underground. On that pocket pool, hips and skateboard. Blue lights, elbows and sun trips. Listen easy, eagle black flag and drop the earth. It's hopeless to try to battle and resolve. We're down low for life. Shout out to the homie Smoke for the remote son. One also push you in the dirt. It's in our DNA. We've been crazy since birth. So my face, you know I don't give a fuck. My niggas are stuffing in my chucks. Every day is a bust. Every day is a dirt bike. Kicking up dust. So my face, you know I don't give a fuck. My niggas are stuffing in my chucks. I'm striking and smoking. Every day is a bust. Every day is a dirt bike.
It's okay, you can see.
I crashed up there, that was why it took me so long to get back.
I thought you had turned around, so I was waving at you like,
That's big bucks. Having fun is a must. Tacati trophy chick straight sucking on nuts. We make big plays. Leave your head in the days. Sipping on booze, losing count of the days. We're getting paid. Now I know you wanna live this way, but you can't just jump in. You got some dues to pay and some rules to follow. You can bury tomorrow. Little Timmy got shot over money that was borrowed. And the color of the shit was just wrong. Caught slipping in the wrong hood. Now till it's gone. Get the light goes on and get skips on the upper. You can be the baddest until they kill my father. Oh, it's live, bro. Just like any other state. Worldwide chaos, nothing like behind the gate. So my face, you know I don't give a fuck. I think he's gonna stop it in my shop. Every day is a bust. Every day is a dirt bike. So my face, you know I don't give a fuck. I think he's gonna stop it in my shop. Every day is a bust. Every day is a dirt bike. Kicking up dust. So my face, you know I don't give a fuck. I think he's gonna stop it in my shop. Every day is a bust. Every day is a dirt bike. Kicking up dust. Slack jaws. They ain't hitting it like Baja. Taking deep south. No laces down in Baja. That's big hugs. Having fun is a must. Tacati trophy chick straight sucking on nuts. Make big plays. Leave your head in the days. Sipping on booze, losing count of the days, but getting paid. Now I know you wanna live this way, but you can't just jump in. You got some dues to pay and some rules to follow. You can get married tomorrow. Little Timmy got shot over money that was borrowed, and the color of his shirt was just wrong. Caught slipping in the wrong hood.
Alright, so it's Friday afternoon. We're done riding for the day. Sam ate shit. Insert clip here. But she's doing okay. Her arm's a little hurt. I had fun, and yeah, now we're kicking back. Alright, Friday night, just got the fire started. Everybody's starting to show up and get going with their rigs, so there's a little more noise tonight, I'm sure. But I got the fire going. Gonna be all good. What's up? Good morning, guys. It's Saturday, and I'm up just waiting on Nate. He's coming out today. We're gonna ride around a little bit. He's gonna ride Sam's bike. Got pretty busy last night. A couple of really big camps next to us. What up? How's the drive?
Easy. How was your day yesterday?
Good.
Did you ride?
Yeah. Grip.
How far did you go?
Fucking not that far, just a lot around here. So Nate ate shit, looks like he broke a lever, so we're gonna see what's up.
It is all the way loose, but if I keep it pushed in, I'll be fine. If I just go back on second or third,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna push it in.
Yeah, just don't stop.
Alright, man.
What's up?
Oh, man.
Beasting it, man. Fuck yeah. Weren't we just talking about that the other day? Like what happens if your clutch lever breaks?
Yeah.
And I was like telling you how I had to ride back from Fallbrook like that and shit.
Yeah, each time I'd like lose it and then break all the way off, and I had to like slow down to like how to fix it.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to say something? Something!
How you feeling after that crash earlier?
And nothing. I'm in my prime.
What's up, guys? It's Sunday. We were planning on leaving early this afternoon, but we decided to stay an extra day. Yay! So I've got all day today to play around, and then tomorrow Sam's got to do some work, and then we'll get out of here. So another fun day of riding.
Swooping up a new bitch, all black rims, yeah, sitting on some new kicks. And I got my own strength. Fucking homie, I'm a brother all day. $100 bills, I got no change. Yeah, I'm blowing up the whole gang. Kingmaker in the grow house. Smoking on the raw until I go wild. Yeah, they tryna go, but they don't know how. One boy show up and then I show out. You know what it is, I got the King's plan. Royal purple coming in for the team win. Fat man on the squad, you ain't seen shit. Make it green, just chopping up the green tits. Yeah, mama hold that. Bitch, your mama hold that. Fucking I'ma roll the whole thing.
What's up, guys? It's Monday morning now, and Sam's doing some work. I'm just chilling, playing games and stuff. We're gonna get leaving this afternoon. But we are the last people out here. First in, last out.
The streets are smoking, the takeover of this movie, yeah, it's fast approaching.